What better way to spend a rainy Sunday than to buy some fall decor at Marshall's? Need this little cutting board. Wait, should I get the ghost too?
The ghost,
Okay.
that smiley. Add to the cart.
I need a bunch of Sierra's reaction to the pillows. Imagine I came back with this. Wait, this is kind of cute. Really good pillow section. We have to go to candles. I cannot believe they have this stuffed animal of Danielle. This is crazy. It's too big.
That's so cute.
Getting this. Never had one of these before. Heaven. Ooh, pumpkin spice latte candle. What? Look at this one. Look at these candles.
How do they melt?
Cute little pumpkin. This is the best candle I've ever smelled. These.